As organizations are tightening security with stronger password policies, password reset calls to the help desk have skyrocketed. In fact, according to IDC, 40% of help desk calls are for password resets, and each call can cost up to $50. Let's do the math. If each user in a 500-person company makes 4 reset calls each year, the cost of password reset help desk calls can reach up to $100,000 a year. Well, now you can join the hundreds of organizations like these that use myPassword to slash these costs. Why myPassword? Because it's easy to use and access for end users. It's flexible enough for any scenario, and it includes best-of-breed security features you won't find anywhere else. myPassword comes ready to use and can be deployed to thousands of PCs in minutes for a truly immediate ROI. In fact, myPassword is the most versatile, secure, and simple self-service password management solution available for Windows. And to ensure a successful implementation, we help you overcome 2 obstacles: getting users enrolled by completing their profiles, and making it easy for users to access the myPassword Reset website. Users can automatically be enrolled at logon with the question policies you supply, or you can programmatically pre-populate their profiles for them. And if you're using our directory with myPassword, this feature can also enforce your custom data integrity rules to require users to fill in or clean up other information in their Active Directory profile at logon. Getting users to the myPassword Reset site has never been easier. Users who have forgotten their Active Directory password can access myPassword right from the Windows login. The Gina-enabled method modifies the Windows logon screen with this convenient link, so myPassword is only a click away when users need it most. For customers who can't use Gina's, we also supply a Gina-free method that uses a restricted access account to securely allow access only to myPassword and no other files or resources. And our credential provider works with both Vista and Windows 7. myPassword works great in remote scenarios too. It can easily be integrated into any website or portal, and for remote Outlook users, myPassword can integrate right into the Outlook web access logon screen with this convenient link. And of course, myPassword can also be accessed with a public kiosk or from a coworker's PC, and it's secure enough to publish over the public internet. Only myPassword provides you all these access methods, so users are always able to quickly and easily reset their password no matter where they are. Customizing your myPassword site gives users even a further sense of security when resetting their passwords. Once a user arrives at the myPassword page, they may have access up to 4 functions that allow them to change their password, reset their password, unlock their account, or edit their profile. And multi-language support is also now available. Clicking on Reset My Password, the user will be prompted to enter their normal Windows logon name. If the user has a password reset profile, they'll be presented with the first question. myPassword includes several anti-hacking features. Here, an activity timer is in effect, and each question must be answered correctly before the next question is even presented. Excessive timeouts or wrong answers will trigger a hacker detection event. Once all their questions have been answered, the user will be allowed to reset their password. Here they can either generate a password from the password dictionary or enter one that meets the complexity requirements. If the user's new password does not meet your complexity or history requirements, they can receive instant feedback to assist them on how to correct it. The account will be unlocked if necessary, and one-time use passwords are supported. Now what happens when users don't have their password reset profiles completed or they can't remember their answers? Vouching is an optional form of authenticating a user who has forgotten their password or has been locked out. If the vouching option is enabled, then users will still be allowed to reset their password if they can get an authorized user to vouch for them. Roles can also be associated with vouching, so then only users matching those roles will be allowed to vouch for other users that don't have a password reset profile. For security purposes, email notices and audit log messages will also include the voucher's name. For scenarios such as managing external users with external email accounts that access an extranet portal, you can use email verification. Email verification allows mail-enabled users with an external email address to be sent a time-sensitive email with a link that, when clicked, returns the user to the final page in the password reset process where they can set their new password. Join the hundreds of organizations that stop throwing money away by eliminating 40% of help desk calls. Take the burden off your skilled IT staff and start experiencing immediate ROI today by empowering your end users with myPassword.